All right, this is John and Parita. We're up here on top of this 100 Island, and we are near the statue of Mother Mary, and where they also have these gifts and shrines to her, and as well as Jesus. But I wanted to give you a look over here where the steps are to go down to the water's edge, and then look around, let you see the boats and the islands, and then across the way is the statue of Mary. I still get the feeling that it looks like Christ to me, but everybody says it's Mary. So anyway, so it's beautiful up here on top of this island, looking down over the water. This has been an amazing journey out here. And I'm out here with my new wife and her family, which they have been so gracious and wonderful to me, and actually asked me to lead in prayer before we ate, and also to usher in the birthday of little Silona. And I was really blessed with that honor, because there's so many elders in their family, and that they would ask me to lead their prayer. Thank you, Jesus. All right. All right. Well, until, let's see. Here we are. It's hot out here, but we're having a good time. I'm soaked. I'm about to go get in the water finally, because we all just got through eating a big meal, and you'll see pictures and maybe video of that later on. We love you.